In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can like take a screenshot on your Macs. So this is new for Mac users, and they've been asking themselves like, how can I take a screenshot on my Mac? Well, it's like simple. Just like open up Launchpad and open up Screenshot app, and then like select the part that you want to capture, and then once you do that, hit this little button here, it says capture, and it's captured. And and if you want, you also like a, like take a picture of like a news story. It's just a random news story or whatever, and just like go to Launchpad, launch Screenshot again, and then like take a picture of the part that you want to capture. Set the portion of random text, and then click capture again. Well, to tell you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and push that notification bell for more videos. As always, I'm Max Rudley, and I'll see you again in the next one.